Hey everybody, and welcome back to Cat's Coils. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My channel focuses on DIY microlocs and also lifestyle. I sprinkle in a few lifestyle videos here and there just to kind of give you guys an update and show you guys what is going on in my life. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back and checking out my videos. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an update on my locks. So I have officially been locked for 21 months now. I can't believe where the time has gone. Like 21 months. In a few months, I will be locked for 2 years. And it just blows my mind. So I am so excited to share with you guys some of the things that I've been doing since my last update. If you would like to catch up on some of the past videos that I've done and you haven't seen those videos yet, go ahead and check those videos out. If you haven't subscribed yet and you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing and sharing this video with others who may benefit from this video. So before I get into my update, I want to go ahead and show you guys my 360 so you guys can get an up close and personal look at what my locks are looking like right now. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started on my 21-month update. I want to kind of start with some of the things that I've been doing differently since my 1.5-year update. The first thing that I want to share with you guys that I have kind of started doing differently since my last update is hair jewelry. And I'm excited about this because I think I have finally found some hair jewelry that works really well with Microlocs and is easy to take out. So when it's time to do your interlocking, you can just take these pieces out and it just works really well with the hair. I haven't really noticed anything that is a drawback or that is a negative for this particular type of hair jewelry. So I'm going to talk about these hair sprinkles. And they're actually called Japanese glass seed beads. I've been noticing a few microlockers with hair jewelry. Now, these are just tiny little beads that come on and off easily. As you can see, I just pulled one down and pulled it right back up. Like, it's so easy. They stay on. I've washed my hair a few times with these little lock sprinkles, and they haven't come off. They only come off if you pull them off, and that's what I love about them. I really love that I can add something to my hair and I don't have to worry about it snagging my hair. If your locks are a little bit bigger than mine, then these might not be the best choice. You might just want to find some beads that are just a little bit bigger. If you go to the craft store, you can find all different sizes of beads. So yeah, I love my hair jewelry, and I always love trying new little pieces of jewelry to see, you know, what's going to be the best and what will not damage my hair. Okay, so I love my hair jewelry, and if you want to try it, go ahead. I think it'll be really nice for your hair. Just make sure that when you're installing your hair jewelry, and I might do another video to kind of show you how I install them, but if when you are installing them, just make sure that you're not pulling too tight to cause any unnecessary damage and tension to your lock. Next thing I want to talk about is one of the things that I've been doing within this last period of time since my last update, and that is I've been going swimming. It is summertime, you guys know that, you know, we're out, everybody's out, and thank God COVID is kind of letting up a little bit. You know, people are getting vaccinated and people are able to be out and enjoying themselves. So I've been doing just that. I've been going swimming, and I've been to the beach a couple times, and I've been just going swimming. I've been enjoying my hair. Haven't done anything special to tie my hair up or anything like that. I've just been going swimming freely and allowing my hair to get wet. I may even insert a clip here to show you guys what I've done, you know, when I went swimming. Now, I did not submerge my head underwater at the beach because I just did not, I didn't like the idea of possibly having sand in my hair and salt water in my hair. It was already bad enough that there was salt in the air, you know, because of all the just particles that are flying up. You can really taste like the salt on your lips just from you being outside by the beach. So I did not submerge my head underwater at the beach, but I washed my hair several times at the beach because I didn't want the salt water to linger in my hair. That's a whole nother video, whole nother time. I'm going to talk about that. But I have been washing my hair a little more frequently because I've been swimming a lot and have been around water. And I've noticed that on the ends, like I have some ends that are just wanting to bud up and just kind of fall off. Like there's a lot of little buds that I'm noticing that have appeared since I've been washing my hair a little more frequently. I don't know if that's natural. I don't know if that's something that you guys have experienced as well. If you experience that, let me know. Like if you experience extra budding when you go swimming or when you wash your hair more frequently, let me know, because I want to know if I'm on an island by myself or if this is something that is normal. So that's the second thing that I've noticed that I've been doing a little differently since my last update. I did interlock my hair before I started swimming and things like that. It's been about 2 weeks since I've done my last retie. So I'm going to just give you guys a quick view on what my grid is looking like. I don't know. I honestly haven't looked at my grid in detail since I interlocked a couple weeks ago. So your view is going to be my first view as well. So let's just take a look and see what my grid is looking like. Get it to split down the middle, but here's what it's looking like. For those of you who are new to my channel, when I started my locks, I started them, they were a little too big, and so I started kind of taking one lock and splitting it into two. That's what my grid is looking like. I still have really nice parts. I can still see my grid and all of that. And this is after washing my hair like at least 3 or 4 times within this month alone. And my grid is still nice and intact. I can still see my twist pattern. Can you guys see it? There's some twist pattern right there. The twist patterns are all over the place. I don't know. I mean, I figured that by this point I would not be able to see my twist pattern at all, but I just knew that by year 2, my twist pattern would be gone, but that is not the fact. So I don't mind it, but it's just interesting to see that my twist pattern is still there. You can see that my line of demarcation is just moving down. And what I mean by line of demarcation, for those of you who are new to my channel, I use that term when I am referring to where my twisted hair stops and the locked hair starts. So as you can see, my line of demarcation has gone all the way down to about a little more than half. As you can see with this lock here, here's my twisted hair right here. And the rest of this is interlocked hair. And you can clearly see that it's interlocked because of the pattern. It's very interesting because my hair was about this long when I started my locks. I'm gonna insert my installation video up here on the top. But you could see that like my hair was all the way down here when I first locked. So I had about this much twisted hair at the beginning. Now I'm down to like this much. It's really amazing how our hair can do what it's doing when it's locking. It's really amazing. All right, so the last thing I want to share with you guys is the Alopecia Spot. Y'all, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. So if you can see, there's a thin spot here. There's a thin spot here. And I feel like all of this is thin. I don't know. I just don't know. I did start a baby lock here. This is my brand new baby lock. I started it with a braid and it is super curly. That is my 21-month DIY Microlocs update. Again, a lot has changed, but again, a lot has not changed. My hair is still not fully locked. I do have some locks that are pretty much feeling like they're locked. Like, didn't take me long to find this one, but this one is pretty much locked all the way down to the ends, if you can see. So that's actually promising. That lets me know that maybe in a few months, all my locks will be like this one, pretty much fully locked. Most of my locks in the back are actually fully locked, which is pretty cool. It's just the locks on, wait. There are some locks in the back where I can see the twist pattern. But nevertheless, a lot of those locks that have the twist pattern are kind of diminishing and fading away slowly. Well, you've made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video provided you with some value, and I cannot wait to share with you guys my 2-year update coming up in 3 months. Guys, I cannot wait to see what my hair looks like in a few months. I hope you guys enjoy your lock journey. Bye.